Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to display product image in the sales order grid. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, let's go to my directory structure. So here it's my up quarters and profit plus. So what we have to do, right? So etc file, you know that, like what you need to do in the etc file, right? And etc module structure, after that we have what we have to add, that is the UI component listing column products, and where it comes from, why I am making this section. Go to the view admin layout. We have the say no, we don't need to go for the layout, we need to go UI component. Here we have the sales order, right? In sales order I am defining a column in sales order grid, and the column name should be the products, right? And label should be the product image, right? So here I am adding this block for just particular block over here, right? So I have added this. You need to add this block in the sales order grid.xml to add a column into the sales order grid. After that, let's go to the app quarters profit plus, where it fetch the data from the UI component listing column and products. So here the phenomena, so which I have told you in admin HTML, I need to go view. So let's, here we go, UI component listing column products.php. So here we have the prepare data source. Here we are preparing the things for rendering into the grid. So here I am just using the default one, data items. After data items I call the items entity, right? Previously here I am showing the ordered, how much quantity it has been ordered, right? You can see this tutorial in my video that I already uploaded, but right now I am showing the image, right? So here I am just getting the SKU. After getting the SKU, I use the image helper and initiate with a small image and set the image file product get image with URL, and prepending this all attributes in the in the products section, and unset the products array and return the data source. By doing this one, I will show the full file so that you can also write up the code full-fledged, right? So this is the main logic that I am adding. So after doing this, these three common files that I have used, after this you will get to this product images with the help of this code, right? So hope you will understand the what logic is behind for getting the product image in the sales order grid. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.